You know, this storm is already having a local impact hours before it hits. Action News reporter Shannon Perrine shows us what local families are doing to prepare. Are they all planning on drinking milk and having bread and butter?
Yes, Wendy, we know the drill. You know what, Wendy? It's been deceiving all day. We've had bright, beautiful sunshine during the day, but we know that something is coming. And most of us know the drill. My friend Sharon posted this on Facebook today. I got a kick out of this. The mock horror. Get the milk, get the bread, get the toilet paper. It's going to snow. No, folks, you don't need to freak out. But yes, you might want to prepare. Let's go to the airport. So many trying to escape the late winter cold. A couple flights from Chicago already canceled. Definitely check your airline if you're planning to fly in the next day or so. Let's say you're staying in Pittsburgh. Grab a cart and do a quick inventory. Okay, when the storm's coming, what are the things that you absolutely have to have in your house?
Of course, milk, the regular Pittsburgh stuff, milk, bread, and butter.
She forgot toilet paper.
Oh, yeah. I'm stocked up on that. I'm good.
Most Pittsburgh shoppers are snowstorm veterans. No big whoop. Anthony is not here buying supplies.
No, actually, I do that every weekend. So right now, no, I'm actually just shopping for lunch.
So you have bread at home?
Correct.
You have toilet paper?
Correct.
You have milk?
Yep.
And you're about to get bananas?
Yes.
This Shop and Save in Noblestown is fully stocked with milk and bread and toilet paper. And our snow warriors won't panic if they forget something.
No, because the store is still going to be open tomorrow and the next day. So,
and if you need it, you'll go.
Yep.
I figure the salt people will be out. They know that it's going to be bad tomorrow, so the salt truck should be out, I figured, but I'm hedging my bets.
Just to be safe, PennDOT suggests you pack an emergency kit in your car. Include non-perishable food, water, a blanket, a small shovel, warm clothes, and any medication you might need if you get stuck. And just remain calm.
I don't really panic. As long as you got good snow tires, you should be fine. I mean, it's Pittsburgh. This happens once a year.
And I know for a fact that Wendy Bell has a mountain of toilet paper in her house. She's a Costco fan.